So, hello everyone. Welcome to week 7 release team weekly meeting. This is a release 127 meeting. This meeting falls under CNCF code of conduct, which means be nothing than excellent to each other. Yeah, this meeting is also getting recorded to the cloud. If you don't like to be recorded and showed up in YouTube, you can disable your camera. So, do we have any discussion before going through updates? It doesn't seem, so we will directly start with enhancements, and we have Federico.
Hello. Nothing major from last week. Pretty quiet. We have essentially the same metrics as it would be expected. We are post enhancement, but before code freeze. We've been following the discussion on major teams just to be sure that some deprecations, for example, in the last cycle, some deprecations popped up there that weren't being tracked, but up until the moment, we haven't detected anything. So we'll keep an eye on things, and that's it from enhancements.
Thank you, Federico. We couldn't really hear you loud, but I think from your
better now, I suppose.
Now it's better.
Okay, it's microphone level. But just saying, nothing, no update from last week. We are post enhancement freeze, but before code freeze. We are keeping an eye on the major teams discussion just to be sure that we haven't missed any deprecation that sometimes can pop up at this time. But nothing until now. The numbers are the same, so we're good.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. Any question for enhancements? Thank you, Federico. Then we go to CI Signal with Grace. Great to have you again.
Hi, folks. Hi, Hussein. Current status is green, 1 failing and 3 flaky for master informing, 0 failing and 5 flaky for master blocking. Some of these have been flaky for a long time. The SIG acts them, but doesn't have the bandwidth to fix them yet. Important to note that our next release cut is next Tuesday. So many of these will be need to address by then.
Yeah, let's hope till then everything is resolved. Thank you so much. Any question for CI Signal and Grace? If not, we move to bug triage with Angelos.
Yes, hello everyone. Our status is green, no blocking issues or PRs at the moment, no release blocking issues, sorry. To be honest, I think I would expect some more work with the amount of enhancements we have, but we are still a few weeks away from code freeze, so I guess we'll be able to manage, and that's all from our side.
Thank you so much, Angelos. Any question for bug triage? Then we move to docs with Mickey.
Hey folks, our current status is green. I'll be meeting with Ray from SIGDocs later today to refresh the 1.27 docs branch. Also, we've recognized that this is something that's not really documented in the handbook, so it's something that we're going to add as soon as I have all the steps jotted down. Also, since the last call, I've assigned all the doc shadows to the enhancements, which is possible since the enhancements freeze is complete. And so people will start reaching out to their respective SIGs in order to cut docs PR soon. That's it on our end.
Thank you, Mickey. Any question for docs and Mickey? Then we have release note with Ricky.
Hey everyone. Release notes for the 1.27 Alpha 2 release have been merged. And that's all we have. We are green otherwise.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Any question for release notes and Ricky? I don't see any updates from comms. Do we have Any comms member here? Okay, I can follow up that and reach out to comms team later. Then we have release branch management with Grace.
It's me again. As I mentioned in CI Signal, we do have our cut coming next Tuesday. And then Rodolfo just made some improvement to KRL to remove Rendertron, which has been deprecated.
Thank you so much. Any question for release branch management? Thank you. We have EM with James.
Hello, just a short one from me this week. My intent is to put the mid-cycle retro next week, March 1st at 6 p.m. UTC, which is on the hour after this meeting. Announcements are going to go out later today or tomorrow when I get a chance, but that is the intent. It will just be an opportunity for us and also for people in the community to give feedback and ideas on how they think things are going. And it won't be the only retro. We'll do more sessions at the end of the release as well. This is just it's like mid-cycle one. Yeah, that's it for me, I think.
Thank you so much, James. Any question for James? Then we have release lead, Xander.
Yeah, short update for me this week. Only thing is that we do have the weekly Friday APAC meetings kicking off this week on Friday. So that'll be at 10 a.m. GMT, 2 a.m. PST. So for those of you in the APAC region, hopefully that time should be a little bit easier. So we will move to having 2 release meetings a week, and then as we get closer to the release date, we'll start kicking off the Monday meetings as well and move to 3. Yeah, that's the only update I have this week.
Thank you so much, Xander. Any question for release lead, Xander? SIG scalability status is green. Yeah, that's the last point we had to check. Xander, do we have any other topics, any other points we need to go through?
No, I think we're okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Smooth sailing right now.
Yep. Sounds amazing. Then I will stop recording to the cloud.